Okay, so we are looking at the epidermal layer of the zebrina leaf, and every epidermal cell is pink or fuchsia in this slide. We're looking at the bottom of the leaf, and then you'll see kind of some clearish area. This is from an epidermal peel, so we should only be seeing that top layer, rather the lower epidermis. And you'll see mixed among the epidermal cells are those clearish areas, and what we're seeing are guard cells mixed with some companion cells. So the guard cells, they're kind of greenish, and they're surrounding an area that kind of looks like a cat eye. In this particular species, it has some companion cells along with the major guard cells. And so you might get something that looks, each taxa kind of has its own unique guard cells, and they'll look a little different from one another. But usually what you'll see if the stomata are open is some sort of oblong slit, and it looks black usually because you're looking into space, the internal space of the guard cell itself. You'll also a lot of times see maybe a line of material towards the inside of the guard cells that touch the stoma. And this is because of a thickened interior wall compared to the rest of the cell. And then you'll see usually some greenish organelles inside, which we've talked about a lot, and those are the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts help with the function of the guard cells, and this would be one that is open, so it would be a cell that would be considered turgid. So each little lip-looking thing is a guard cell. It's surrounded by other epidermal cells. So the guard cell is a specialized type of dermal tissue, or dermal cell, and that is a hole, and it's called a stoma, and it's named because it does look like a little mouth, and that's what stoma means. So everything you're seeing in the picture is dermal tissue. And the fuchsia is in particular epidermal cells, the black area is the stoma, and then the greenish lip-looking things beside the opening are guard cells.